Beef ribs. You're acclaimed to be producing one of the best tasting beef ribs in Texas. Can you enlighten us a little bit on the secrets of cooking a proper beef rib low and slow style?
The better the fat content, the better the results are going to be generally. That's the first step. The second step is not to cook it too slow, because you're not going to render it out correctly, and you're not going to caramelize the cover fat to give you a nice bark, a nice outer crust. The third component is if you don't rest it and wrap it, all of that rendered fat that you've worked so hard to try to create will just flush out of the system and it'll dry. So it's a multi-step process, and it does take the right meat, the right process, and the right rest in order to pull it off correctly. Still, it's all based on salt, pepper, meat, and smoke. If done properly, it's been described as meat butter, meat cake, meat pudding. It sort of melts in your mouth. It has a texture unlike any other beef, and a flavor that sort of is highlighted by this amazing fat content that is sort of addictive. I mean, it's hard to explain. You got to try it yourself.